Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Temenos employees account on PC. To log in Temenos employees account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in www.servicedesk.temenos.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Temenos and you'll be taken to service desk section. Now here you can see the login box. On the downside here you can see sign in with your other account option. You can sign in to your two kind of account, that is employee login and customer login. Click on employee login option. Then here you'll be taken to login page. Now to log in, you need to first enter your email address, phone number or Skype address that is associated with your Temenos account. If you cannot access your account, then you can click on cannot access your account option. Similarly, you can click on sign in options on the down so that you can choose other sign in options rather than using your password. I am going on with password method of signing in, so click on next option. Now know that your Temenos employee account is associated with your Microsoft account, so here enter your correct password. After this, if you don't remember your password, you can click on forgot password option. Similarly, you can sign in using your email code. To do that, click on email code to your email address. With this, you'll receive the email code and you can continue with the further process. I am continuing with password, so click on sign in option. With this, you'll be signed into your Temenos employee account. This is how we can log into Temenos employees account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.